Alright, let's go ahead and get started on the quiz feature of Edmodo. First of all, we're given all of these types of questions, which pretty much covers all of your bases. Of course, this is a very simple quiz. I'm assuming you'll probably be able to ace this without a problem. But each question is going to give you the option to attach additional materials, either your own, you can upload from the web. I really like to add YouTube videos to my quizzes. So we have true, false here. You get to assign the point value. For example, if it's true, false, you might do 1 point, but a short answer question you might want to assign more points because there's more effort on the student's end. So we have short answer, multiple answer. You check all the following that are correct. And here, so you're going to check which ones are correct, but when the student sees this, they will be completely blank and mix-matched in order. And then we have matching, and again, these will be kind of jumbled, and the student will have to drag the correct answer to the term. And then fill in the blanks. So you get to put your text in here, you put your blank space in, Edmodo detects where that is, and you put in the correct response right here. So that's a very simple explanation of the quiz feature. And then before you're all wrapped up, you can preview how this is going to look to the students. So very simple, it's not overwhelming. And of course these aren't correct. I'm just kind of blazing through. And there you go. You can also assign a time limit, and we're going to go into when it's finally time to assign our quiz. So we'll push assign, and if you have multiple classes, you can assign this as well, so you don't have to replicate and go through this process all over again. You can, wanted to also touch on, this is the first thing that the students are going to see. So I can put my due date in the instructions, which is very helpful. So when I assign, then I can select, okay, this is due before class on Thursday. I'm going to set this at 7:59 in the morning. And if I lock it, then students are not able to access it past that point. Time limit, 5 minutes, whatever you'd like. I can randomize the questions, automatically grade them, show them their score when they're done. But if you have like short essay questions and you want to manually grade those, then you might not want to check this box. All right, and then we'll assign. And this will be posted to your homepage. And the students will see that. It should be at the top of the page unless you have a pinned post. And students can take it.